a linear and monolithic residence where the balance between geometry and landscape defines every line. This is Camiral House, a home that seems to be on pause, still, yet always on the verge of movement. Built on a narrow, elongated plot within the Camiral Golf and Wellness Resort in Girona, Spain, the house responds directly to the characteristics of the site. The orientation of the views, the proportions of the lot, and the intention to integrate architecture and nature resulted in a residence defined by pure, horizontal forms. The facade features only 2 additional openings, one on the ground floor, marking the entrance and initiating the vertical circulation, and another on the upper level, allowing soft southern light to enter the main bedroom. This control of openings reinforces the sculptural character of the house. On the ground floor are the daytime living spaces, living room, kitchen, and 1 bedroom, all facing the most open part of the landscape. Inside, a vertical void connects all levels. The staircase, illuminated by a north-facing skylight, unfolds in a continuous motion, accompanied by a handrail that follows its shape as a single unbroken line. The material palette is calm and restrained, reinforcing the sense of lightness and spatial continuity. Slightly offset from the base, the upper volume houses the private areas and defines a covered terrace without any intermediate supports, a subtle yet bold structural move. This canopy provides shade, thermal comfort, and unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape. Above, the study sits at the center of the upper level, and is surrounded by a perimeter corridor that allows light, air, and people to flow freely. The cantilevered structure is anchored by a partially buried basement, which contains the garage, technical areas, and a flexible space. This foundation adds mass to the building and reinforces its structural balance. The architecture seeks the highest degree of formal synthesis. Every gesture is intentional, nothing excessive, nothing gratuitous. Camiral House also carries a quiet ambition. It is the first single-family residence in Europe to receive WELL certification, integrating advanced systems for air, light, and environmental comfort without compromising architectural clarity. In this way, the house becomes more than just a shelter. It transforms into a habitable sculpture, shaped by the terrain and carved by light. A contained gesture that, even in stillness, seems ready to take off, like Figure About to Fly by Andrew Alfaro, which inspired its creators.